PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair is a commercial HVAC contractor that provides installation, maintenance, repair and replacement services throughout Wayne, Pennsylvania and the surrounding areas. Our skilled team of commercial HVAC contractors has the knowledge and experience needed to handle any HVAC service or repair problem. Call our commercial HVAC contractor today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. Call our commercial HVAC contractor today if you have any questions. Commercial service technicians install, maintain, and repair HVAC systems using their knowledge of refrigeration theory, electrical schematics, pneumatics and electronic control systems, pipe fitting, welding/brazing, and mechanical layouts. How many HVAC units do I need for a commercial building? Divide the square footage of your building by 500 to determine how much air conditioning you'll require. Then multiply this figure by 12,000 BTU and add the additional heat generated by windows, workers, or areas such as kitchens to that figure. What is your service area for the Wayne, Pennsylvania service office? Our commercial HVAC contractor have served Wayne, St. David's, Villanova, Gulf Mills, South Wayne Historic District, Villanova, Stratford, Radnor, King of Prussia, Ethan, Rosemont, Devon, Bryn Mawr, Radnor Township, Conshohocken, Pennsylvania. Where is your Wayne, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC contractor office located? We are located at 650 West Lancaster Avenue No. A, Wayne, Pennsylvania 19087. Our phone number is 610-424-6274. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Lancaster-Wayne-HVAC-service.